Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show how to easily prepare grilled chicken at home without oven or any grill. And regarding the taste, it's beyond words. So let's see how to prepare this easy recipe. I have taken 900 grams of chicken which is cleaned and then cut them into large pieces, and also have made gashes all over. After washing the chicken well, onto a bowl add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, some salt, and add enough water and dip this chicken for at least half an hour. This will help the chicken to be more juicy and soft. And then after half an hour, drain and completely dry the chicken. Next we need 2 green chili, few cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, few mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now this has to be grinded into a fine paste. Next to this paste add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Salt to taste. Then for some spiciness and color, I am adding here Kashmiri red chili. This is around 2 teaspoons and then a quarter teaspoon. Half teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, then finally 2 teaspoons of pure ghee. You can also use oil. Now mix this well and then marinate onto the chicken. Actually, I prepared this marination in the morning and then grilling it only in the evening. So the chicken has been marinated for at least 6 to 7 hours. So try to marinate the chicken at least for 2 to 3 hours. The more you could keep, that's better. So next, moving to the grilling, onto a pan add 1 tablespoon of butter. After the butter is melted, add the piece of chicken. Then keep it on medium flame and cook on each side until it will turn golden in color. So now I have cooked each side of the chicken not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now, but the chicken would not be completely cooked from inside. So the next step is to cover and cook on low flame for another 5 minutes. After covering, make sure that you turn the flame to low. Now the chicken is perfectly cooked. Now repeat the same with the remaining pieces of chicken. Now the next batch is also ready. Now place all the pieces of the chicken to the same pan. So now we are going to give a slightly smoky flavor. After placing the coal and pouring the oil, close with the lid and allow to rest for 2 minutes. So now the tasty grilled chicken is ready to serve. Here I am going to serve it along with some homemade herbs and an eggplant dip which is known as mutabal. I'm not following the traditional recipe. In traditional recipe they calls for grilling the eggplant. Here I'm going to steam it. After steaming, discard the skin and remove the flesh and then transfer this into a blender along with few cloves of garlic, half tablespoon of lime juice, few tablespoons of tahini paste, salt to taste, finally some olive oil, and then blend this into a fine paste. So do give a try to this easy recipe and then send me your feedbacks. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.